We are on the lookout for a fierce predator in its home territory. And here it is, a tuxedo cat, named for its stylish, formal outfit. This one is a 6-year-old female named Tux. She is currently resting. She has seen our camera crew. Her vocalizations are a warning not to approach because of her fearsome weaponry. She has sharp teeth and needle-like claws. These are useful for hunting her preferred prey, which include rabbits, snakes, and balls. We are so fortunate to have been able to see this magnificent creature in its natural environment.